Alright, hey everyone, welcome back. Today, me and my brother, we're taking out the crabs for a friend, and we're gonna see who can wrestle the crabs into the cooler the fast enough. Alright, pull them up. Let's see. Alright, looks like we got 4 crabs. Okay, let's get the door open. Alright, well, I'll go first. Okay, let's see. Get this one out. Fast. Almost. This one's tough. Alright, there we go. Alright, that's one. How long does that take? Alright, 16 seconds. It's pretty good. Alright, your turn. Okay, time that. Alright, go. Alright, that took 10 seconds. This time pretty slow, alright. Go again. Alright, time. Time. Alright, let's see how long it takes. Alright. This one out. This one. Alright, took 27 seconds. Sounds like I'm really bad. Alright, last one. Let's see. Go. See, 16 seconds also. Well, I guess I'm the slowest crabber wrestler here. I guess we'll throw it back in. See you guys next time.